Hello, my name is Anup Das. I secured All India rank of 38 in the Civil Service Examination 2022. Before this, I was posted as Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax in Delhi with my Indian Revenue Service batch of 2020. In this clip, I will be talking about how to manage preparation with your work. Before starting that, I will tell you that one should gaze into the work profile first and understand whether it is possible or not, because a deep understanding of your work profile is very much needed to make a plan and make an efficient use of your time for the preparation. Once you are done with that, then make a plan of your work. I think one person, if has provided a commitment towards the work, needs to be punctual about it, manage it in a particular time period. Because when I was in revenue service, I had cases coming to me on a regular basis, and I made a proper plan for it and finished them before time so as to save time for my preparation. Secondly, make the best use of whatever time that is available to you. In this regard, I used to do preparation early morning and late in the evening, and also in between the gaps that I get in the office. Meanwhile, I used a very efficient use of my weekend time. And fourthly, a very important aspect that often is missed by the candidate, which I feel is very important, is a smart planning, because hard work is unsubstitutable, but a smart planning is what makes everything doable. So I used to have a very smart plan on a weekly basis so as to make the efficient use of my time. And lastly, when you are working, a very important thing that one needs to know is have friends who are colleagues, who are bosses, who are subordinate in the office, so that they provide you the technical assistance and the work related help whenever needed, and also provide you the motivation that okay, you can manage it, and keep you motivated. They keep you pushing forward. I feel if a person is well planned, well balanced, and prepared to do hard work with such preparation, then definitely one can crack civil service examination with working in any post. So, therefore, I would suggest everyone to gaze into their work profile and decide before leaving job. And all the very best to the candidates who are aspiring to be a part of civil services. You can definitely do it. Please gaze into yourself and your strengths and weaknesses. You are definitely meant for it. Thank you.